Jumbalani, hello, Apusheni. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another VLOGMAS. As you guys can see, it was pitting. I'm on my way to do my hair. Delayed number one. Yo, this sounds like good. Delayed number one, and I don't like this thing. I hold the vlog every time. Like I really don't like that, and already the noise mozzarella. It's like a missing taxi, guys. What I was trying to say before, it's like a missing taxi, guys. I'll talk to you like Fikako. What do you? Why can you buy Mahova? Guys, get up a little like Fikako. How to keep the healing. Hey guys, welcome back to another clip, guys. I am even done braiding. I'm done running the errands. Like I'm done with a lot of things, but I can't live with what's really happening on this vlog. So let me try to explain. Let me try to explain what's really happening on this vlog. So me and Karabo, a friend of mine, we decided to go away. Not really away because it's not far from my place. Then go Karabo ke ena ke far from Karabo ena ke ena tsamayang ayang away. So we're going for a weekend staycation, vacation type of vibe, more Senton. So for a weekend from today until Sunday. We check out to Sunday. So what else? I get the road. We check out to Sunday. So we're leaving today. There's a lot happening. But in today's video, it's just a prep with me, a house tour, hotel tour, the apartment tour, and that's all. The other things you all will see them my next vlog. You get what I mean? So yeah, guys, I hope you guys will do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be.
Di ubang lagi gimana lah mau kita orang kita cakap ini. Ya, dia kata itu. Oh, okay. Thank you.
You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it. Somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't.
Yeah, well, I'm going to go to Karabo level ID. Guys, Karabo wala sila ID, wala sila license. Reduce mo. Modi coaching. Ko waiting what? Very nice. Ako na siya kain. Ang ko na siya kain ka magalakaraw. Ang ko na siya kain. Imagine, talagang masih hindi pega sa akin na kasuno yan. Banang. Banang. What's up pala ni siya po accredit picture niya na sa birth certificate.
Ya passport. Birth certificate.
Oh, live. Ito lang humble.
Guys, like let me explain. Hi guys, welcome back to my little YouTube channel. I'm Karabo. I'm back. I come back. The thing is, the thing is, I lost my ID, I lost my license, right? So, ngas ka pala ke tsere dompas. Ako na kung ka pala ke tsamaya ka passport.
Passport.
Ke ile
Ano utsamay kayo na kasi wala situation.
It's very hard, but I'll make a plan. We'll see you guys. Harita room tour.
For now, emang nga. Room tour ya tango kayo. Takot na ba? Ayaw na rota na ano ko man. Sakit mo saan ka na ba man? 18. K6. Major.
If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living, nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
Kutam nila kayo ba eh?
You have to edit today and post today.
Ay, ko i-post na tomorrow. Report ang wanya ni guys. Karabo.
Okay, but wait a minute. Jim, Skyward, I have everything is
The whole thing is what?
well packed.
Guys, gonna your content. Content, imagine. Before we draws. Wow.
Yeah, content first. We contenting.
Before we draws. Guys. Huwag ka ka disappointed. Nagsasamal ka feel.
Yeah. And we didn't tell people why we're here. Hi guys. You know why we are here? We are celebrating. What am I getting? We are celebrating. We are on a friendcation.
Hey,
We are celebrating our friendship. So. So we are celebrating our friendship. So our first friendcation. I don't know.
And give a first one. Friendcation.
So it's our first friendcation. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned for
For
more.
contenting. Don't say I didn't tell you.
And in Pila Pila today, it's all about doing content, ne? We're not going anywhere. Anyway, somewhere.
I don't know, but the weather's not weathering because I thought that today we're gonna have like a pool
Yeah, in Kinteneri na
thing. But today because the weather's not weathering.
And pula yan. Okay, one outside or yan. Hey guys, but it is what it is. Anyway guys, our content thing. Then after we going to buy food, we thought khuneli stofo khuneli kishi. Unfortunately I got check pila sha as check a shinagana go etsa bo di breakfast in bread. I don't know.
You wanna do that cling 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 cling?
I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, I wanna show you.
Okay, mulomo ko kita fana ena ne. Wana ka go beka le tse ngata bona zipe ha.
Ish, I get it. Ish. One thing about me, I'll overpack shim. One thing about me, I will overpack. Hey, I get it last time. Okay, get that bing bing. I get it. Bing bing bing.
Nakita ka so fi.
Haki it's what I feel. Click it.
Ah, let's go say.
Hey, set your word. Hey. Okay. I got.
Lan mat. Keep pa, then keep. Oh.
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave.
Wait.
Guys, refer to as a content yamatoma. Now we about to go to Sunset City. Koreka alcohol. Did you? Maybe the snake.
Yeah.
Dijo. Aki tika dijo.
DJ. I guess we can always Uber Eats.
Then reke dijo. Anyway, guys, let's buy.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh.
So guys, re nyaka di glass ne. Di champagne glass. Our area no ka re ke lenyalo. Go ba le ba bontsha. E nice, ma ke feel like ke tsamanya. No. So we can't decide between this one and which one? And this one. Between the two.
So we decided kwanza.
Picky peak.
I wanted to do like a thing. Like a baba and sala gentleman.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds.
And we bought this. We bought this me. So, the nice one. The nice one is mine. So my friend is gish gish.
Why the nice one in there? What is the problem? King Karabo or Yena or taste a baby. Who taste that? Or it taste that you to taste that if I'm not to say it. Why taste if then what choose of getting Ellen bed? Kiss guys.
And we finally decided we bought
this one.
exactly, and there are 4. So this is how they look.
Talking to you, give me butterflies. Then you took my hand.
My man. I'm thinking.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't
I'm closing this vlog more.
Yeah, because for the activities we need to
Yeah,
start.
I need to start a new vlog. So this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you all did like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Till we meet again, which is tomorrow. Bye.